There is a new sound in Parker, Colorado that is leaving a big footprint.
You know, you have a dream a lot of your life to open a facility like this, and through that process there was many times where we thought, yeah, maybe this won't happen. So to be here officially open, to have such a good crowd show up today, it's just unbelievable.
It's truly a dream come true. You know, it's a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of teamwork to get it done, but it's phenomenal.
The building is fantastic. It is turned out even bigger and better than I thought it would.
Let's take you back to the beginning, to 3 men and a dream, and how Sunward Steel turned it into a reality.
They were really easy to work with. From the first day we met with them, we met with several different steel manufacturer buildings, pre-engineered buildings, and they were just much more flexible. They listened to our needs. We know tennis, but we don't know building, manufacturing, architect, any of those things. So we needed somebody to really help us through every step of the way.
And that is exactly what Sunward did.
Engineers and drafters know a metal building inside and out. And they know by looking at somebody's design where they can modify the building to make it more cost-effective.
And because budget was the #1 issue, a steel building was the way to go.
Steel is just the strongest material to span long spans like this and also be cost-effective.
They had to work around our budget, which was set in stone and could not change, and they did a great job of that.
The benefits of Sunward Steel Buildings go well beyond cost.
The biggest unique aspect of this is what's called a reverse tapered column. So all the columns are exposed on the outside of the building, and it allowed for a greater clearance inside, so you can maximize your floor space on the inside. And it also broke up the monotony of the wall on the outside to appease city requirements.
The building has 6 colors on it. The sheeting was installed horizontal, vertical, diagonal.
This building is 332 foot long. So it would have been massive to look at all vertical sheeting. That's what breaks it up, makes it look very nice.
And on the inside, the clear span opens this space, making it a player's paradise.
So clear span is that the entire area is free and clear of any columns or obstructions.
It's real good viewing on every court because there's no columns in between courts. Most buildings like this that are built for tennis have columns between every court, and that restricts some of the viewing. This one does not. Sunward built it to the point where it's a big open facility.
Sunward wanted to add to that with a viewing area that didn't take up any space or block the player's access.
They have a hanging mezzanine for the viewing platform. It's actually suspended from the roof rather than having the columns go to the ground. So again, allow for more access underneath and clearance to play tennis.
Unlike many steel buildings, this one lets in natural sunlight.
We added dormers, which are the 3 clear stories at the top, and they were added as architectural features. It also allowed us to add louvers. So on an August, July day when it's really hot in here, we can open up the louvers, let out the hot air, and it saves us on air conditioning.
Add that to the insulation.
We have our 41 insulation in the roof, which is 12 inches thick. It'll be cool in the summer as well as warm in the winter.
And you have the complete package.
It's a terrific facility all the way around.
One that will last for generations to come because of the love of tennis and the dedicated American company, Sunward Steel.
The quality is 100% from Sunward. It's made in America.
As mayor, this is an incredible experience because this brings our citizens a recreational opportunity that they didn't have in the past.
A steel building and Sunward it's more than a building. It is being a part of a community and helping people bring their dreams to reality.